Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 400 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down twice from the top of your screen. So once from top and actually second from this area right here. And this will show you all the toggles that you have access to, which one of those will be a screen recorder. You can see it right here for me. When you see it, click on it. It looks like we need to grant it permission to use microphone. Now, by default, I believe it should just pop up with a window and letting you choose to allow, but I think this is not the first time that someone has done this here, so someone might have just pressed deny. So now I need to go into the settings and permissions and microphone, and then I can do allow while using the app. Let's find the toggle once again. There we go. So during screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. Now that is false. Not all will be recorded. There are certain features or applications that straight up block screen recorders. One of those would be, for instance, Netflix or things like Spotify. It's done for privacy or piracy reasons. But let's be honest, if you're pirating, for instance, TV shows or movies by screen recording them, you're doing it wrong. Highly recommend checking out CloudStream on GitHub. You can thank me later. Anyway, we're gonna just click on OK. I will turn off the microphone as it is by default enabled, and whatever you'll record or open up right now will be for the most part recorded. Like I said, minus certain applications that block it, but it looks like there's none that would be blocked. So I'm just gonna open up Chrome as an example right here. And once you're done recording, you can click where the timer is. This will stop the recording and save it into your photos gallery. Now, if you ever encounter an application that you can't record, what you will end up having is a just black screen as a screen recording. So instead of being able to see the content on the recording, it will appear as just black screen. While you're recording whatever application, it will look normal to you. It's just on a playback, you will realize that you can't see anything on there because it's just straight black screen. So be mindful of that. Now let's open up our gallery application. I agree. Again, we need to grant permission apparently, and you can see it right here. So here is the screen recording that I've captured a moment ago. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.